Hello and welcome. I'm Peter Gardner and this is Gardnering. Today I'm going to remake my first video, which was an introduction to my channel. I'll be talking about my plans, my goals, and my hopes for this channel. I hope you stay and watch. My purpose on YouTube is to help parents gain a deeper connection with their children. And just a side note while I'm here, when I say parents and their children, I don't mean to exclude anyone. I simply use the language of parenting for convenience. But this channel is for anyone seeking a deeper connection with children. Heck, if you're just here for the art projects, I'm glad you're here. Welcome. I believe, and the experts seem to agree with me, that there's something about doing art projects with kids that help them open up. The reason is, most children don't like to answer a lot of questions. Even simple friendly conversations can feel like interrogations to them, and nobody likes to be interrogated. But once the focus is turned towards something else, i.e. away from the children, they can relax and let their guard down. Give it a try and see what happens. Leave me a comment down below and tell me how it works for you. Also, it doesn't specifically have to be art projects. Any kind of project where there's something else to focus on other than the interaction between parent and child are situations that can help kids open up. Also, it doesn't have to be art projects. It can be family game night, doing a puzzle, something like that. In order to further that goal, I will be making videos about fun projects you can do with your children. These videos will produce something tangible that the children can be proud of. First, I'm going to be focusing on quirky stuffed animals and sewing projects. But as we move forward, I'll be listening to the feedback of my viewers and making projects that they're interested in. Furthermore, I will be doing product reviews of commercial art kits. I have some kits that I bought at Michael's and a couple kits from a company called Kiwiko, and that should be enough to start with. As time moves on, as I said before, I'll be taking your feedback and hearing what you want me to review and doing reviews on those kits. To better understand what your children are obsessing over, I'll be doing trend explainer videos where I talk about and break down trends out there on the internet. I'll tell you why kids think they're fun, what's interesting about them, and what you might want to watch out for as parents, if anything. Doing a project based on your kids' interests will get them off the iPad and into a situation like I was talking about, where there's something to distract them from the fact that they're having fun with their parents. I'm also going to be reading books on parenting and talking about how it applies to building connections with kids. But unless you want it to, this isn't going to be a preachy channel where I just talk about connection all the time. The main focus here is the art projects, the things you can do with kids to have fun. Lastly, I'm an artist and I will be showing you what I'm working on to inspire and delight you. This all doesn't come out of nowhere. I have a troubled relationship with my 6-year-old daughter. She doesn't accept affection from me in almost any form, but at least she's not yelling that she hates me all the time. So I have that going for me. It's a really tough situation to be in, but instead of failing as a dad, I decided to make a plan, and my plan is this channel. I will figure out ways to get her excited about spending time with me, and I will learn everything I can about the subject and share that information with you. So really, I'm asking you to come along on this journey with me. Hopefully we'll both learn a thing or two. If this bounty of projects and pathway towards connection resonates with you, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It'll mean that more of my videos show up in your feed, and it will help my channel out a great deal. I know you have a choice as to how you spend your time. I appreciate that you're choosing to spend it here with me. Thank you for your time. Your support means the world to me.